Good morning, and welcome to episode 165 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, March 13th, 2024. Today I want to go ahead and depart from my normal format, no prices, no update on the markets. What I want to talk about instead is individual retirement accounts and precious metals. The tax deadline here in the U.S. is about a month out, and people are going ahead and finalizing their taxes, considering whether or not and how much of a contribution they want to make to their IRAs. At this point and through the tax filing deadline, you can go ahead and fund your IRA for 2023. And you can go ahead and fund it right away for 2024 and get those monies working for you on your behalf. Gold and silver right now, as you heard last week, and I'm sure you're watching in the news, have been surging. So we're seeing a bit of a breakout potentially materializing here in gold and silver. And a lot of folks want to take advantage of that, but they don't have the cash on hand to do so. Folks, the IRA is a perfect solution in this case to find some funds to put toward precious metals. Let's face it, your individual retirement account or your self-directed IRA is really meant for long-term assets geared toward and set aside for your consumption years in life, when you're pulling back from earning and you're going to start using what you have earned as you start enjoying and relaxing a little bit in life. So it's a great option in your IRA. The IRS does not allow you to hold those metals yourself. Be careful. There are some folks still getting this wrong out there, and if you hold that metal yourself, you're absolutely doing a premature distribution from your IRA. So you've got to leave the metals in the hand of a third party. And through the Perth Mint Certificate Program, which we designed over 28 years ago now, you can actually hold those metals with a government guarantee offshore in your IRA with zero storage costs, whether you keep them there a week or 30 years, it doesn't matter. So there's great opportunity there. You've got the potential to protect profits earned on precious metals, which is important as we're starting to see gold and silver surge, and we're looking for that outsized profit potential in silver. You've got an opportunity to protect those profits in a Roth IRA if you have that at your disposal. So I really like silver for Roth IRAs. Listen, IRAs have been around for precious metals since 1986. The U.S. allowed precious metals in IRAs back in 1986. Back then, it was only gold and silver eagles that were allowed. In 1997, with the Taxpayer Relief Act, the IRS went ahead and broadened what precious metals you could own in your IRA. They opened it up to gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, and it didn't matter what form it was in. You didn't have to have just gold or silver or platinum eagles, if you will. You can hold gold coins and bars from various countries and various mints as long as they meet minimum fineness requirements. So, my guidance here is this. If you're one of those folks that wants to participate in precious metals, you're struggling in this current economy to find some funds available, go ahead and put the metals in your IRA. There are a lot of nuances, like I said, with the personal storage and things of this nature, the minimum fineness requirements for the different metals that you don't need to be an expert on in order to take advantage of this opportunity. We're here for you. We can guide you along the way. We can help you find a way to put metals in your IRA, take advantage of gold and silver here, and in the end, keep what's yours. As always, we want you to go ahead and follow us on our YouTube channel, like us, send us your comments and questions, Follow us with your monthly newsletter information line, or twice weekly always something interesting alerts. Follow us on social media, but in the end, don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.